In this video we are talking about if Loom continues this immense bullish run to the upside or if we see a move to lower levels. As you can see, we saw this immense bullish push to the upside on the weekly chart on Loom. From the low to the top we saw a move about 680% in 2 months. So this is a crazy performance for Loom, especially because Bitcoin is not moving in a bull run and we saw this explosion at Loom. So now the question is, should you buy now Loom or should you sell and take some profits? As you can see, we were in this supply zone right here where we always find resistance in the past, but we pushed through this supply zone right here. And in the last video I said we were at this prices. If the weekly candle closes above this highs right here, then the chance is high that we are seeing even higher levels for Loom. I will show you now the clip for context. But there's also the possibility that we are going to the upside again, because we saw this immense bullish upside momentum, and now the chance is high if we are closing with the weekly candle in this range or even higher, the chance is also high that we are moving to the upside again. And as you saw, we closed with the weekly candle like here, and then we directly pushed to the upside again. So now this supply zone is not relevant anymore. But right now we are at the daily chart, and you can see that we built this liquidity formation. So we are seeing this wicks right here. So the price came into this prices, but we saw the selling pressure, which moved the price to the downside. So this candle in the middle closed bearish, and this candle right here is also closing bearish. So right now I think the chances high that we are moving to lower levels. But you can see that we are clearly in a bullish structure with higher lows and higher highs all the way. And as long as we don't break this bullish structure, Loom will continue to make higher prices. But after this immense rally, the chances high that we are seeing a larger retracement, because many people who invested in Loom will take some profits. And as you can see, the wicks down here are telling that the chances high that we are moving now to lower levels. And I think the next support area will be this demand zone, because as you can see, we started our last bullish move to this highs right now from this supply zone. So I think that the chances high that we are moving into this demand zone, and then we have to see if we see a bullish reaction. And if we see the bullish reaction, the chances high that we are going to higher levels. But if we are breaking this demand zone with the daily or weekly body close, then I think the chances high that we are moving into this order block, and the chances high that we are finding some support right here. But there's also the possibility that we are moving again to the upside. If we are breaking this highs right here to the upside, I think it's more likely that we then see even higher levels for Loom. But if anything interesting happens for Loom, I will make a video. So subscribe to this channel to don't miss the next update on Loom. What is my game plan now on Loom? After we saw this extreme bullish move to the upside, I think the chances high that we are moving to lower levels, that we are seeing a retracement, and the chances high that we find either here some support in this demand zone, or if we are breaking this demand zone to the downside, that we are finding some support in this order block. But I would be very careful with long positions right now. The chances there that we are seeing even higher levels for Loom, because we are in a bullish structure right now, but the chance is high that we are seeing a larger retracement. So this was it for this video. Comment down below which altcoin do you want to see in the next videos. Thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.